Lingportal Online School presents
Present perfect versus past simple. 95% fail this test. Think you know English tenses? This test looks easy, but most learners fail. Present perfect or past simple? Let's find out. She went to Paris last year. Last year is a finished time in the past, so we use the past simple. I have done my homework already. Already is typically used with the present perfect to show that something is finished before now. They had dinner an hour ago. An hour ago is a specific past time, so we use the past simple. She has lived here since 2020. Since plus a starting point suggests using the present perfect. I have seen him today. The period today isn't finished yet, so we use the present perfect. She left just now. Just now is a particular moment in the recent past, so we use the past simple. I saw him when I entered the room. The moment in the past is shown by the action when I entered, so we use the past simple. We have known each other for a long time. For a long time means an action from the past up to now, so we use the present perfect. I have seen him 3 times this week. This week is not finished, so we use the present perfect. She was watching TV when I called her. We use the past simple for a short action that interrupts a background action. He saw her today at 9 a.m. A specific time is given, so we use the past simple. I met him when I was at school. When I was at school is a finished period, so we use the past simple. She has finished her homework, so she can relax now. We focus on the result in the present, so we use the present perfect. She has met him before, so she knows him. The action happened in the past and has a result now, so we use the present perfect. They watched TV after they had dinner. This sentence shows a sequence of actions in the past, so we use the past simple. So, how did you do? If you made mistakes, that's okay. That's how we learn. Write your score in the comments and tell me which question was the hardest. May your English journey be filled with curiosity and growth.